When you forgive, you are giving to yourself. You are unchaining those binds. You're releasing those cords. You're breaking those connections so that that person who did wrong by you no longer has control over you. Because whoever you blame has control over you. Whoever you're looking to, to make something right has control over you. So today I want you to go through your day and ask yourself, what do I need to let go of? Who do I need to forgive? And I'm sorry, if you're a living, breathing human being, there's someone you need to forgive, even if it's that knucklehead that cut you off on the freeway today on your way to work. Could be your mother. It could be a sibling. It could be an ex. It could be a partner. It could be someone you worked with. It could be your best friend. It could be your neighbor, anyone. And just ask yourself and just say that silent prayer of I let go. I forgive you and I let you go. And notice the peace and the calmness that comes over you.